Trying to be like one of those. Okay. It's right here. I got it. I see it. So, no. Not yet, no. Yeah.
you go backwards, you can come down this way. You gotta switch over there.
Yeah, but somebody's behind me.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, I can't back up because he's.
Yeah, that's fine.
So I'm gonna do a loop and I'm gonna and then I'll.
Who turned the air conditioner? I hate to tell him I turned it.
Bro, that ace just went into hybrid mode for a minute. Thomas was like, the daughter on his racing. Eat 'em.
Were you the one that posted that video? The trains in the depot? Oh no, my dad. His YouTube channel. So I just he posted on his YouTube. I don't know. Or where? I mean, I did post one of Saluda's where we're going up the
Well, it was, about, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes trip, thing that was running around here.
Well, I guess if you get one to either side, you have to kind of sort of be the close one. Yeah, I don't know if I want to get out here in the middle on this. Yeah, but I mean, if you're on a ladder over here, you're going to reach so far over, and you have hardly any room over there. So you couldn't get a ladder over there.
What lens do you have? Why don't you move the computer out of the way so you can have it up?
You ain't got the dang kit lens.
What's the all
Look, this is so big, Jesse.
I know, that's what I said, Jesse.
said that a lot of people looking at that.
So you see the red dot?
You know what it is?
That's a camera. They are recording.
Ah, okay. That's right.
Yeah, cool. That one's on the middle, right? Yeah, he's on the middle. Is he on the middle? He's on the edge. And you are also on the edge. Yeah, you're also on this one.
Oh wait, yeah, my I think the Selena Gray is good for my little one, and then like this track is.
On.
You need to send back the Intermount. And then you need to pick up the Ather and NS fleet they have over there. That's our train.
But the one the train shows that are next month, I'm gonna be working for our club at one. And then actually I'm gonna be working for our club. I'm going to both. I'm gonna be working for our club at both.
We just do like a field trip, you know, all the little shows.
No, we need people here. I'm gonna say the one Valentine's weekend, I'm gonna be going down there and distributing flyers and vendor cards.
Right up.
And the one following weekend, I'm gonna be sitting behind the table.
Another one thing or else they take a pretty good.
It's a test to see if I like that dog.
There's one card that's not in this behind there.
Which one? Oh, the ACL. Yeah.
You have one of my flat cards.
Let's see if we can find this one.